Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make Google landing page, full guide. Open Google Sites and choose a blank template to start building your landing page. Plan a clear goal, select one call to action, and draft concise copy that answers visitor needs. Use a contrasting button color, include a single hero image or video, and test layout on mobile and desktop to ensure fast load times and easy navigation. Start with a simple grid and limit fonts to 1 or 2 styles for visual harmony. Place the headline above the fold and make the CTA visible without scrolling. Use white space to guide the eye and keep paragraphs short for scanning visitors. Add trust signals like testimonials or logos, and make sure your design adapts cleanly to phones and tablets so conversions stay steady across devices and screen sizes. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers keep meal prep tidy and prevent salad dressings from ruining your bag, perfect for busy creators on the go. They stack well, seal tightly, and save time between shoots and edits. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Craft a concise headline, supporting subheadline, and a single persuasive CTA to drive action. Highlight the top 3 benefits in short bullets and include one visual that demonstrates value. Use a minimal form asking only for essential details like email or name. Add social proof and a brief privacy note to reassure visitors and increase trust, which typically raises conversion rates and improves campaign performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.